Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the P4 and the P5 adhesive from the Pallmann range. Now, these are professional products that are used all over the worldwide by professionals that are industry leaders. They've got their benefits for using both and they're very similar in their own way, so we're just going to run through each of them and I'll tell you what way to use each one. First off, we'll start with the P4. At the moment there's a 10% extra on the top in terms of volume of the product. They'd usually come in at 16, but these are 17.5 kilo tubs. So that's only for a limited time. They can be used for underfloor heating systems, and the coverage of them around about 13 to 15 square meterage if we're using a B11 notch trowel. So where can you use this product? So this specific product is used for engineered wooden floors, anything that's under 200mm wide and 2,200mm long, so engineered wooden floors up to that size. Has a quick drying time of around about 30 minutes, so if we need a quick installation of engineered wooden floors, this product here is the one to go. So now let's move on to the P5. So very similar to the P4, it does 13 to 15 square meterage with using the B11 notch trowel for application. Suitable for underfloor heating systems and is solvent free. So why should you use P5 rather than P4? So P5 is actually for any engineered wooden floors that are over 200mm wide. So we've got a 250 engineered board, we want to use the P5. It's also suitable for solid wooden floor installations. The drying times for these products are around about 30 to 40 minutes, so we have a little bit longer drying time with this, but we have the flexibility if that's what you need to get your job done. So here's an overall difference between the P4 and the P5. So P4 are actually for engineered wooden floors up to 200mm wide, 2,200mm long, and the P5 is for any engineered boards over 200mm wide, and then for any solid wooden floors that need to be put down. If we're looking at parquet with very solid wooden floors, or we've got any mosaics, we want to go on to P9 adhesive then, which is a 2-component. That's another video we're going to be doing. But the main basics here are engineered boards up to 200mm wide, engineered boards over 200mm wide and solid. Drying times we have 30 minutes, and then a little bit longer here we've got around about 40 minutes. So quick installation, flexible installation. So if you have any information that you haven't heard today and you want to know a little bit more, just catch us on the WhatsApp or on the socials, we'll be more than happy to help.